Dear student, today we are going to discuss in chapter number 12 preparation of aldehyde and ketones. aldehyde અને કીટોન બનાવવા માટેની કેટલીક મેથડ. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones by oxidation of alcohols. Here you can see aldehyde and ketone are generally prepared by oxidation of primary and secondary alcohol respectively. Unit એટલે કે primary alcohol એમાંથી aldehyde બનશે અને secondary alcohol માંથી ketone બનશે. Unit 11 chapter 11 standard 12 એ આપણે જોઈએ. Here you can see oxidation of alcohol. આ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 11 માંથી લીધેલો પોઈન્ટ છે. Oxidation of alcohol involves the formation of carbon-oxygen double bond with cleavage of OH and CH bond. In the alcohol, O અને H વચ્ચેનો બોન્ડ અને C અને H વચ્ચેનો બોન્ડ આલ્કોહોલમાં બ્રેક થાય એટલે કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન વચ્ચે ડબલ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ થાય એટલે કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ બનશે. Such a cleavage and formation of bond occur in oxidation reactions. These are also known as dehydrogenation. Why? એક હાઇડ્રોજન અહીંથી અને એક અહીંથી બે હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય એને dehydrogenation કહેવાય. Yes, reaction is these are also dehydration reaction as this involve loss of dihydrogen from an alcohol molecule depending on the oxidizing agent used. હવે કયા ટાઈપનો oxidizing agent we are using એના બેઝ ઉપર primary alcohol is oxidized to an aldehyde which in turn oxidized to carboxylic acid. Chapter 12 11 માં પેજ નંબર 339 આલ્કોહોલ ફિનોલ ઇથરમાં પોઈન્ટ આપેલો છે. આપણે એનું રિવિઝન કરીએ છીએ. This is primary alcohol CH2OH. OH containing carbon is connected with another one carbon. Oxidation of it. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Here are CH2OH. One hydrogen from carbon and one from oxygen. Remove third. So RCOOH, it gives aldehyde. But aldehyde no oxidation alcohol કરતા પણ very easy હોય છે. Let convert into carboxylic acid. C and H વચ્ચે oxygen add થાય. This is a symbol of oxidation. Strong oxidizing agent such as acidified potassium permanganate, KMnO4 with acid, are used for getting carboxylic acid from alcohol directly. So जो strong oxidizing agent લીધો હોય like KMnO4 in acidic medium, so direct it gives carboxylic acid. CrO3 in an anhydrous medium without water. CrO3 is one of the oxidizing agent. Without water, use oxidizing agent which is mild and isolation of aldehyde. So E aldehyde આપશે. RCH2OH માં this one also primary alcohol oxidation by CrO3. So two hydrogen removes and gives aldehyde. A better reagent for oxidation of primary alcohols to aldehyde in good yield is pyridine chlorocronate, means PCC. એટલે weak oxidizing agent છે. પાછળ ડબલ બોન્ડની ઇફેક્ટ નહીં કરે Actually, this compound is but 2-in-1-ol chain. Mild oxidizing agent, pyridinium chlorochromate, means PCC. So only oxidize the primary alcohol, HH removes and convert into CHO. So this product is aldehyde, but but 2-in-1-al means but 2-enal. Secondary alcohols are oxidized to ketone by chromic anhydride CrO3. When we use chromic anhydride as the oxidizing agent, so one hydrogen with carbon and one with oxygen will be removed. And કાર્બન નો એક બોન્ડ અને ઓક્સિજન નો એક બોન્ડ છે બાકી રહેશે, એકબીજા સાથે કનેક્ટ થઈ જાય અને કીટોન આપશે. It means primary alcohol gives aldehyde, but જેમાં strong oxidizing agent હોય તો direct carboxylic acid. Weak oxidizing agent લઈએ તો primary alcohol માંથી aldehyde મળે and secondary alcohol માંથી ketone બનશે. Tertiary alcohol do not undergo oxidation reaction. Tertiary alcohol, OH containing carbon is connected with another 3 carbon. This is tertiary alcohol and oxidation na thai. Reaction condition under strong oxidizing agent KMnO4, elevated temperature, વધારે ઊંચું temperature આપો, cleavage of various carbon bond take place and mixture of carboxylic acid, lesser number of carbon atom is formed. આનો oxidation થાય ખરી, high temperature, strong oxidizing agent એટલે cleavage થાય, bond break થાય, એટલે એક કાર્બન અહીંથી remove થાય તો formic acid and CH3COOH આવું mixture આપશે. Yes, it gives mixture lesser. આમાંથી કાર્બન એના કરતા લેસ કાર્બન વાળું કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ નો મિક્સચર આપે છે. Now once again this is the oxidation over. Now second point, by dehydration of alcohols also. This is oxidation. The primary alcohol oxidation થાય તો aldehyde, secondary માંથી ketone. By dehydrogenation of alcohol. Dehydrogenation means removal of H2. This method is suitable for volatile alcohols. Volatile એટલે જે મિથેનોલ છે, ઇથેનોલ છે, easily evaporate હોય તો એમાંથી ને alcohol માંથી aldehyde બનાવી શકાય. In this method, alcohol vapor are passed over heavy metal catalysis. Silver and copper is a catalyst હોય અને alcohol ની vapor એમાંથી પાસ થાય એટલે dehydration, એટલે silver અને copper ની surface ઉપર adsorption થાય હાઇડ્રોજન ગેસનું અને aldehyde ketone આપે છે. Primary હોય alcohol તો CH3CH2OH એમાંથી aldehyde આપશે. Acid secondary alcohol હોય તો 2 hydrogen remove થાય, it gives a ketone like this. Yes, and now that point is given in standard 12, chapter number 12. You can see how can we derive some. This is given here. When a vapor of a primary or secondary, we discuss, alcohol are passed over heated copper. એટલે copper के silver metal ऊपर 573 Kelvin temperature ऊपर alcohol gas pass થાય. આ temperature ऊपर obviously gas હશે. 1 and 2 hydrogen remove થાય. એ hydrogen copper metal ऊपर absorb થઈ જાય and gives aldehyde. In secondary alcohol, when we pass over copper metal, 2 hydrogen will be removed and gives RCOO R dash. Yes, dehydration takes place in aldehyde or ketone form, while tertiary alcohol undergo dehydration. પણ જો ટર્સરી આલ્કોહોલ હોય તો એનું ડિહાઇડ્રેશન થાય, મીન્સ વોટર રિમૂવ થાય. અહીંથી OH, અહીંથી H. So CH3, CH3 and CH2. There should be double bond CH3, CH3, double bond CH2. 2-methyl propene occurs. So tertiary alcohol હોય તો. Okay. Now next from hydrocarbons. Yes sir. We can also form aldehyde and ketone from hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means alkane, alkene or alkynes. First of all, by ozonolysis of alkanes. alkene નો ઓઝોનોલાઇસિસ કરવાથી પણ આપણને આલ્ડીહાઇડ અને કીટોન મળે છે. As we know, ozonolysis of alkene followed by reaction mixing dust and water gives aldehyde. alkene નો ઓઝોનોલાઇસિસ કરવામાં આવે છે. You can see here Unit 13 Class 11 Standard 11 માંથી point લેશું. And ketone or a mixture of both depending on the substitution pattern of the alkene. alkene માં કયું સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે એના આધારે આલ્ડીહાઇડ કે કીટોન બનશે. So ozonolysis. Ozonolysis of alkenes involves the addition of ozone molecule to alkene to form ozonide, and then cleavage of the ozonide by zinc and water to smaller molecule. This reaction is highly useful in detecting the position of the double bond in alkene or other unsaturated compound. આ મેથડથી ડબલ બોન્ડ ક્યાં હશે એ પણ ખબર પડે. સપોઝ વી આર ટેકિંગ પ્રોપીન. રિમેમ્બર, અહીં જે ડબલ બોન્ડ હોય એ બ્રેક થાય. So what happens there? In ozone there are 3 oxygens, so 1 here and 2 here. This is propene ozonide, and cleavage occurs here. Zinc with water, water एक ऑक्सीजन ले लिए, H2O2 remove થાય. Here CHH, one bond of oxygen, one of carbon, બે જોડાઈ જાય. So HCOOH, it gives methanol, formaldehyde. Now here CH3CH, one bond of carbon, one bond of oxygen combined, CH3COOH, it gives the ethanol. Now second example, 2-methyl propene, 1, 2 and 3. On second position there is a branch of methyl, 2-methyl propene. On ozonolysis here pi bond will be breaks, both sigma and pi, both bond will be breaks up, and one oxygen combines here and 2 here. Ozone છે actually O2 plus O, અહીંયા O2 આવશે, અહીંયા O આવશે. With zinc and water, one oxygen removes as a hydrogen peroxide in water. So HCHO gives methanol. But here CH3CH3, one bond remaining of carbon, one of oxygen, both combined. So CH3COCH3, acetone, ketone occurs, propane 2 on occurs. Now first method by ozonolysis we discussed. Now by hydration of alkynes, dehydration removal of water, and hydration means alkynes હોય ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ એમાં વોટર મોલેક્યુલ એડ થાય. Addition of water of ethyne in the presence of sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate. Sometimes Hg+2 and H+ we are taking gives aldehyde. All other alkynes give ketones in this reaction. એક માત્ર ઇથાઇન છે એ આલ્ડિહાઇડ આપે. ઇથાઇન સિવાયનો કોઈ પણ આલ્ડિહાઇડ હોય, હવે સોરી alkyne હોય તો એ કીટોન આપશે, which is also unit 13 class 11 standard 11 ના chapter 13 માં આવે છે. તે આપણે જોઈએ. Yes, this is addition of water like alkanes, એટલે કાર્બન કાર્બન સિંગલ બોન્ડ હોય alkanes, double bond having compound is alkene, and triple bond having are alkynes. Like alkane, alkene, alkynes are also immiscible and do not react with water. Alkene અને alkane જેમ water સાથે react નહીં કરે, insoluble હોય, એ જ રીતે alkyne પણ waterમાં soluble હોતા નથી, immiscible હોય છે. However, one molecule of water add to alkyne on warming with mercury sulfate HgSO4 and dilute sulfuric acid at 333 Kelvin temperature to form carbonyl compounds. Here ethyne is taken. So what happens? You can see one pi bond breaks, CH double bond CH. From the water H and OH. અહીંયા H આવશે, અહીંયા OH આવશે. This is isomerization. Vinyl alcohol occurs, CH2 double bond CHOH. And now isomerization means tautomerization. Here is double bond OH and H. Pi bond અહીંયા આવશે, H અહીંયા જાય છે. So CH3 C double bond H. H અહીંયા આવશે, pi bond અહીંયા આવશે. So it gives ethanol. Now when we take propine, એટલે જો ઇથાઇન લીધું હોય તો આલ્ડિહાઇડ આપે, but propine લીધું હોય તો in the propine you can see one pi bond breaks from here H plus and here OH. Due to Markovnikov rule, negative part combines with less carbon, less hydrogen having carbon. અહીંયા OH આવશે, અહીંયા H આવશે. So CH3COH double bond CH2. Here is also isomerization occurs, tautomerism. Pi bond અહીંયા આવે, H અહીંયા આવે. C double bond and CH3. Propanone acetone occurs. આ બધું રિવિઝન હતું. Yes, by hydration or addition of water in alkyne also gives aldehyde and ketones. These are the methods of the formation of aldehyde and ketones. Now, particularly preparation of aldehyde. આપણે particular aldehyde નું preparation કરવા જઈએ. From acyl chloride. Yes, from acyl chloride, benzoyl chloride. This part is benzoyl and this one chloride. benzoyl chloride. We can form aldehyde from benzoyl chloride also. We can form aldehyde from benzoyl chloride also. From acyl chloride, acid chloride. એનો કોમન છે acyl chloride કે acid chloride કહેવાય. aryl chloride, acid chloride is hydrogenated. Hydrogenated means addition of hydrogen in presence of lead and barium sulfate. Palladium on barium sulfate. This reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. How पूछा है? Write a short note about Rosenmund reduction. Here what happens actually? In the benzene ring there is COCl group. In hydrogen, one hydrogen combines with chlorine, removes AZCl. And one hydrogen combines there. So it gives benzaldehyde. Yes, when we take aryl chloride, yes, the benzene ring છે હોવી જોઈએ. એસિડ ક્લોરાઇડ પણ કહેવાય. હાઇડ્રોજનેટેડ એટલે હાઇડ્રોજન એડ થાય ઓવર કેટાલિસ્ટ એટલે પેલેડિયમ અને બેરિયમ સલ્ફેટની પ્રેઝન્સમાં. This reaction એને Rosenmund reduction કહેવાય. Now from nitrile and esters એટલે નાઇટ્રાઇલ અને એસ્ટર માંથી પણ આપણે aldehyde બનાવી શકાય છે. You can see from nitriles, nitrile એટલે કે cyanide, ester means RCOO એટલે એસ્ટર માંથી અને નાઇટ્રાઇલ માંથી પણ aldehyde બનાવી શકાય. આ Rosenmund reaction હતું. Rosenmund reaction, Rosenmund reduction એ કહેવાય. Why? Nitrogen add થાય reduction. Nitrous are reduced to corresponding imine. એટલે નાઇટ્રાઇલ નો રિડક્શન થાય સાયનાઇડ નો એટલે એમાંથી ઇમાઇન આપશે with stannous chloride in the presence of hydrochloric acid. આપણે જોઈએ which on hydrolysis give corresponding aldehyde, and this reaction is called Stephan reaction. Write a short note about Stephan reaction. Here SnCl2 and hydrochloric acid. Why taking? Reason for that SnCl2 convert into SnCl4. The two hydrogen removes and that release hydrogen combines here. એટલે સાયનાઇડમાં કાર્બન નાઇટ્રોજન વચ્ચે ટ્રિપલ બોન્ડ હોય 1 pi bond break થાય. These two hydrogen combines here. So CH double bond NH is imine. This is imine. Now on hydrolysis, the reaction with water gives aldehyde. On hydrolysis, here H3O plus acidic water. So RCH double bond NH. What happens here? Two hydrogen combines with NH, removes as NH3, and one oxygen combines here direct. RCH double O gives aldehyde. Example, suppose methyl cyanide is taken with presence of SnCl2 and HCl. So CH3, CH double bond NH. This is ethylamine. Ethylamine, yes. On hydrolysis, ammonia removes and gives acetaldehyde, means ethanol. આ રિએક્શન ને સ્ટીફન રિએક્શન કહેવામાં આવે છે. Alternatively, nitriles are selectively reduced by diisobutyl aluminium. Double H means diisobutyl aluminium hydride. એલ્યુમિનિયમની વેલેન્સી 3 હોય છે, એમાં આઇસોબ્યુટાઇલ હોય. CH3 CH2CH. This is isobutyl. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride, double H, in first step to imine, followed by hydrolysis to aldehate. આ રિએક્શન જેવું બીજું સેમ, એમાં એઝ એ કેટાલિસ્ટ, એઝ એ રિએજન્ટ diisobutyl aluminium hydride હોય છે. એમાં 2 સ્ટેપ છે, 1 and 2. ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપમાં ઇમાઇન આપશે એટલે RCN. ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ double H means diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride આમ વાંચવાનું. જેમાં હાઇડ્રોજન એડ થઈ RCH double bond NH, it gives imine. Now further reaction with water. We know NH removes as NH3, O combines there, it gives aldehyde. Here you can see CH3 CH double bond CH, CH2 CH2 CN. In first case diisobutyl aluminium hydride, CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CN. In first step it gives imine. ये डबल बॉन्ड में इफेक्ट नहीं करे. In the first step it is gives imine, and further reaction with water, NH remove થાય and there is O, CHO. Yes. Similarly, esters are also reduced to aldehyde with diol. Esters છે એનું પણ રિડક્શન થાય. એસ્ટર CH3 CH2 twice C double O O and C2 CH3. Here also reduction occurs. Ester છે. Yes, and second step માં water આવશે. Here what happens there? Here pi bond breaks H and H. Then after removal of અહીંથી H અહીંથી જશે એટલે H અને H આવશે. આમ યાદ રાખવાનું, એસ્ટર હોય એમાંથી C double O ડાયરેક્ટ O CH3, આ પાર્ટ રિમૂવ થાય ને H આવી જાય. So you can see CH3 CH2 C double O H. It gives ester માંથી પણ we can form aldehyde. These are the method of preparation of the aldehydes. I am giving you example of it. Another example, suppose ethyl acetate is given. In first step, double H means diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Second step ma water. Very simple. CH3 C double O. This part is polar. removes with H. So removes is a alcohol. H combines here. It gives the ethanol. So CHO group form થાય એટલે aldehyde કહેવાય. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.